G'day guys, it's Sammy here. Now, being the middle of winter, the chances are if you're heading on an adventure, it's going to get cold. Now, what does that have to do with the pile of electronics here in front of me? Well, I'm about to show you a few winter tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your gadgets and prevent any cold weather damage. Let's check them out. The first tip is for any battery powered devices. In cold weather, always use lithium batteries and not alkaline. Alkaline batteries are built with a water-based electrolyte, which in cold weather, when it's cooled, slows the chemical reaction and kills the performance of the battery. Lithium batteries will also suffer in severe cold, but nowhere near as much. Now, for all your rechargeable devices where the battery is internal, like phones, tablets, GPSs, torches and lanterns, you want to protect the battery from permanent damage by shielding them from the cold. Now, for something like a phone, instead of leaving them out in the cold air, try storing them in something like a sock. Even wrapping your devices in a spare jumper and storing them in your tent will help take the edge off the cold. Better again, if you've got enough room, store all your devices in the bottom of your sleeping bag. Most importantly guys, make sure you pack your chargers and plenty of spare batteries so you don't get caught short. Get out there, enjoy this cold weather before it's all gone. Cheers.